Hello everyone, welcome to DIY King, where we test the most viral DIY hacks from the internet. Which country are you watching from? Do you enjoy DIY hacks? Comment below and let me know. In this video, this viral spark plug welding machine has over 14 million views, but does it really make sense? If you find this video interesting, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to support DIY King. We're going to recreate this hack using a battery, wires, and a spark plug to see if it can really act like a welding machine. The idea sounds clever. The battery generates high current, the spark plug acts like an electrode to create sparks, and the metal melts as if you were welding. Yes, it does create sparks and can melt very thin metal. But the heat isn't stable enough to make a strong weld. For thicker metal, it doesn't work at all. And here's the danger risk of short circuits, battery explosions, sparks causing burns, or fire. Spark plugs aren't designed for continuous current and can crack or shatter dangerously. What about cost? If you try seriously, you'll need high-capacity batteries, heavy-duty cables, and proper safety systems that's more expensive than just buying a mini welding machine. So when should you use this? Only for science experiments, entertainment videos, or in extreme survival situations to temporarily fix thin metal. Final verdict: it's fun to watch, but not practical in real life. Viral or not, this one has been busted by DIY King. Thanks for watching. This is DIY King. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.